Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Jeep, Slidell, local and long-distance movers near me. Moving long distance is a life-changing event. A new school for kids, a new job, or a new neighborhood are all part of the long-distance move, making it an exciting adventure. Packing and transporting your belongings there too? You should rather skip this part. Let 3 Movers do the moving process for you while you enjoy the adventure. Our movers will pack your belongings and safely transport them to your new home. Our movers offer all the necessary moving services along with the following additional moving services: packing and unpacking, always on time, supplying packing materials, and transparent pricing. It might seem unnecessary to hire a moving company when moving locally. However, hiring a moving company can make a huge difference even for all the local moves. You also have many benefits such as saving a ton of time, a streamlined moving process, and the most important, someone else doing the heavy lifting. 3 Movers is a moving company that ensures that your local move is made within a few hours. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Slidell moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.